We expressed strong resentment over the latest Supreme Court remarks against community quota reservation in higher education. The bench of Justice Deepak Misra and P.C. Pant, which complains of retaining reservation even 68 years after independence and wants to do away with it, conveniently ignores the fact that caste and community-based inequalities still remain a major challenge to equal justice in our country. The Supreme Court observation that merit should be primary consideration in admissions can only see as an attempt to cover many truths with a single black cloak. The basic truth is that the constitutional provision of reservation is to ensure adequate share of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other socially and educationally backward classes in employment as well as education. Hence, it is the primary duty of Supreme Court to examine whether these classes are now seen in higher education institutions in proportion to their population even after 68 years of education. If it is not accomplished, the sense of justice calls upon the higher judiciary to order the central and state governments not to sabotage the reservation system existing in the country. On the contrary, Supreme Court has criticized the governments for not abolishing reservation in higher education. This stand is totally against the letter and spirit of Indian Constitution. The judiciary has not right to interfere with the constitutionally guaranteed rights of weaker sections of citizens. We are pointing out that by observations as above, the judiciary is encroaching into the realm of legislature, and the judiciary is not preventing but continuously promoting privatization and commercialization of education, which also are infringement on the merit of the poor and promotion of the might of the wealthy people. We request the higher judiciary to refrain from moves that force the poor to streets by doing away with reservation, the only means left to them amidst overwhelming threats of privatization and commercialization of higher education.